Be sure to butter your dish, whatever you're pouring this into, so it will not stick. Make sure you leave ample time for it to harden up and the pieces will come right out. Equal parts of peanut butter and chocolate frosting. In the microwave for 1 minute, chocolate frosting. In the microwave for 1 minute, equal amount of peanut butter. Pour in your peanut butter. Equal amounts of peanut butter and chocolate frosting. Make sure you get it all out. You don't want to miss any of the goodie. Miracle fudge. 2 minutes to cook it. A couple of minutes to take and prep it. There goes the chocolate frosting. You can see it's like liquid. Be careful not to get this on you. It is hot, hot, hot. You can also use vanilla frosting and peanut butter and make straight peanut butter fudge. But I happen to like Reese's Pieces. I happen to love Reese's Pieces. So you want to get this mixed up pretty quick. I mean, not with a blender or anything, just mix it by hand. Be sure to scrape the sides down. That way you don't have to leave any. I've got a buttered small casserole dish. Just make sure you get it all in there. This is like magic. Let me get this out of here. Don't leave any of it in here. It's too good. If you like Reese's peanut butter cups, you will love this. Just kind of move it around, jiggle it for a minute, get the air bubbles out. And there you are, boys and girls. Cool it down in the fridge. It should take about an hour or two, and then slice it up, and it's so yummy. In the fridge for 2 hours.